Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro. Now when it comes to your tires, you want to be equipped for any emergency, such as a flat. If you get a flat tire and you don't have a spare, you're going to be in big trouble. But where are you going to store it? On an RV, there is limited amount of space, which is why having one on your bumper is a great idea. So this right here is our RV bumper folding tire carrier, product code for which is RP-2096. Now the dimensions are on the screen, but it is made of a black powder-coated steel material, is rust resistant, is durable, and it looks really nice, modern, and sleek. It's gonna look really nice on the back of your RV, and it's gonna hold your tire on very well. So this can be used on a 4-inch bumper, and it holds one spare tire like the one right here. The rectangular mount on the very back holds the tire on, and then 2 U-bolts go around the 4-inch bumper to hold this on. Now, for the tire to hold on, it can fit multiple sizes of tire because of the style. So the very first nut up here, it goes through the hole, and then the second one uses a plate to hold the tire on so that you can use it with multiple sizes of tires. It's gonna hold it on there really well. It's easy to install, easy to take off, easy to change your tire, which is gonna save you a lot of pain in the long run. So if you wanna find out more about this, you can click on the link below, then like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.